Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to open up an LLC in the state of Florida. I'm also going to show you how to get your EIN, which is your employer identification number. This is what you need to open up a business bank account and also have employees under your business. So if you want to follow along step by step with me, hit the link down in the description. I'm going to jump in on my laptop right now and then you can follow along with me. So let's go. So right here, when you click the link, it's going to take you here to Tailor Brands. I've made all my LLCs through here and it's worked perfectly, no problem. So here we're going to go forward with Florida. And then our next page is going to bring us up to put in our business name. This is what your LLC is going to be under. So let's put in our name. Let's see. And there we go, it's available. Perfect. Let's move on. It's gonna be telling us a bunch of little questions here and there. Don't worry about it. Anything that does come up, it really doesn't affect your LLC process, and don't worry about it. If you're not sure or anything, don't take too much time thinking about these questions. Anything you want to change, it doesn't matter. So let's get back to it. So here, it's going to be telling what stage are we in. I'm just saying I'm already in business. Here's going to see the industry we're in. So I do Amazon FBA. I sell through Amazon. So let's put what I fall under. I'm gonna put Amazon. And here it pops up. And I sell physical goods. Next, are you planning on hiring employees? I don't have any employees, but not sure. Annual income of your business, I'll put I don't know. And then where are we operating from? So I do e-commerce, so I'll put online. And then here is also all the other things that Tailor Brand does offer for you. So if you feel like you want to do a logo, a website, you need licenses and permits, insurance for your business, a domain, trademark, that do it all here for you. But right now we're just going to be going for our LLC, and I'm also going to show you for the EIN. So we just have the LLC checked up right now. Next, this is a checklist. You don't need to do this. Next, if you're watching this video, how you discover it, it's by YouTube. They offer a coaching program if you want to do it. It's for free. I never done it, so let's put no thanks. Okay, now here we're gonna put our email information. If you have a Gmail, you can just put that in. I'll make an account for you, but let's put in our information. Okay, once you finish putting your email information, this next page is going to come up. They'll be talking about the EIN, and exactly what I mentioned is to open up a business bank account and hire employees. So at the end, I'm going to show you it. So if you want, I'll handle it later, and I'm going to show you at the end a whole checklist. You can add it on at the end. So I'll handle it later. Handle it myself. Okay. Assign a registered agent as required in Florida. So when it comes to a registered agent, what it basically is saying who is going to be receiving all the paperwork from the state. So you yourself can be your own agent for your LLC. If you don't live in the state in which you're filing your LLC, then you'll need to have a registered agent within that state. Tailor Brands does provide that for you, so they will receive all the paperwork and documents that the state will send for the LLC. But if you're in the state of Florida, you can just appoint yourself as the agent, and then you'll have your address, and then they'll just send all the paperwork that the state needs to send to you, such as the renewal through the mail. Then you'll be fine. So back on the website, we're going to appoint a different registered agent, and that's going to be yourself. Next, and here is the annual compliance. So when you do sign up for your LLC, you do have to renew it every year to stay active. So we're gonna put, you do it yourself. You're getting a document through the mail, and then you could do it yourself. They're offering here a toolkit. We don't need that. If you want your LLC faster, you do an expedited for 2 days, but at no extra charge, you can do the 14 days. So let's stick with the 14. This is operating agreement. You figure that yourself. This is be at the end. Here is the, they also offer you, if they want to do your taxes with them or legal documents, they tailor it to your business. So you don't need that right now. This is if you want to get notifications on the process. So let's get notified. Okay, and here are the 3 different types of tiers they offer: the light, essential, and the elite. So in the light, we're just getting our LLC done. But as you see in the bottom here, the state fee. So the state fee is $130. There's no way around this fee. You always have to pay it no matter where you go. You have to pay the state filing fee. And then every year you have to renew your LLC. You have to repay the state filing fee. So every year you will have to pay the $130 to renew your LLC. Here in the essential, they offer you the expedited. And in the elite one, they offer you the expedited with alongside a domain and a website. So we're just here for our LLC. So I'm gonna go to the light and I'm gonna show you at the end what I was talking about if you wanted to add on the EIN. So let's go with the light. Okay, here is the final page. If you don't, this doesn't come up, it'll be a little thing that says show more and a whole list will come down. So here is what we'd be paying is a $130 for the state filing fee. And as we go down, if you're interested in doing the 2-day expedited, you can check off this an extra $50. And, or if you wanted to also add your EIN number. Here you go. So it'll be another $99 to do your EIN, which I recommend you do. You know, you don't have to be dealing with this. It's just, you have more time to do what you need to do. You don't have to be bothered with going around getting your EIN. So let's say if you didn't want to do your EIN, what you have to pay today is your state filing fee. And then if you did want to do your EIN, you'll pay that after your LLC is done being processed by the state. Once that gets done, Tailor Brands would then take care of your EIN. So let's continue to payment. And then this is it, guys. This is the end. You have to put your credit card information, and then after that, you'll get another page then addressing who is going to be in the LLC, and then you're done. Tailor Brands will take care of the rest for you. You either get notified if you did the expedited or if you do the 14 days. And that's it. That's how fast it was to do this. Like and subscribe. Any questions, leave them down in the comments down below. I hope this helped you a bunch. All right, bye.